are after dinner. A little hiccup action going on, but that's alright. It's relaxing. Say hi, everyone. Say hello.